To disable a Google News page in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to download third-party launcher from Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store, search for app called Nova Launcher, and then install this app right here. When it's installed, you can then navigate into the settings on your phone, select the apps, go to default apps, and click on the home app. Select the Nova Launcher and change it. After it's selected, as you can see on the left side, because I've already disabled it. If we have it installed it for the first time, we'll get this. If you want to also remove this, because we already removed the Google News page, we can open Nova settings and then enter the feed page and deactivate show before first page. Now if you go back, as you can see, nothing opens if I swipe to the left. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.